Module 1, Episode 3, Digital Marketing Modules. Hello, welcome back to the third episode of Digital Marketing Introduction. I'm sure you love the last episode, in which we discuss the difference between digital marketing and traditional marketing. We also saw how consumer mindset has shifted from offline medium to the online medium. In this episode, we will discuss the modules covered under digital marketing concept. There are many topics covered under the umbrella of digital marketing. The first module that we are currently learning is the basic of marketing and digital marketing. The next module that we are going to cover is website designing. In the website designing module, I will be introducing you the following concepts: domain, types of domain and hosting, how to install WordPress, why WordPress as a website designing platform. We will learn to design e-commerce website on WordPress. After creation of website on WordPress, in the next module, we will going to learn about search engine optimization, also known as SEO. Once we perform SEO on our website, it will start appearing on Google first page. However, I always have three questions. Question 1: how much time will it take to bring your website on Google first page? Question number 2: once I bring my website on Google first page, will it stay there forever? And question number 3: is SEO costly or free? Lastly, it is really possible to bring our website on Google first page? All these questions will be answered in this module. The next module of digital marketing is analytics. Google Analytics is one of the tools that help us to understand the behavior of website visitor. It means that if anyone is visiting my website, we can learn their age, gender, location, and much more. The fourth module of digital marketing is very important and interesting. It's social media. Social media module is divided into two different modules: social media optimization and social media marketing. In social media optimization, SMO, we will set up the social media presence for brand and most importantly try to generate leads organically without spending any money using SMO strategies. In social media marketing, SMM, we are going to learn about paid ads on social media platforms like Meta or Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, X or Twitter. We also learn how to calculate return on ad spend, that is ROAS, also called as ROS. How to optimize it, very important, right? The next module is search engine marketing, SEM, which is Google Ads. In my experience, Google Ads is the heart of digital marketing. Google Ads was previously known as Google AdWords. Using this tool, we showcase our ads into the Google environment such as search engine result page, SERP, display networks, YouTube, Android apps, and even OTT platforms. In this module, we will learn about search ad, display ad, and performance max. The next module is affiliate marketing and Google AdSense. In this module, we will discuss how to generate passive income as affiliate marketer and how to become successful YouTuber. Hereafter, we will learn about email marketing. In this tool, I will teach you about email marketing automation and we will learn MailChimp as our email marketing tool. Lastly, we'll discuss about different strategies that will help businesses grow using digital marketing. Remember, digital marketing is for everyone, but not